Hello, welcome to the Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast, looking at some New Jersey cases. And here we're looking at a municipal court case where an ordinance violation was charged to not the LLC, but just one of the members. So the case is State versus Ehrman. So the housing inspector, charged. There was like some type of housing municipal violations for rental properties for various limited liability companies. But rather than charging the LLC, the inspector filed a complaint against the defendant, who was just simply a member. In one appeal, the defendant challenged an interlocutory order denying his motion to dismiss summonses complaint issued against him individually. In the other appeal, defendant challenged that the LLC was the record owner, and it should have been issued against the record owner. So what happened was the appellate court reversed and remanded for an entry of an order of dismissal without prejudice of complaints because they were issued to the wrong defendant. So even they dismissed the ones against the member of the LLC, but then they could charge the LLC itself. Let's say the complaint was then found to be fatally defective, and they said the municipal court and the trial court erroneously relied upon the Port 4 rules, granting the ability to amend. Once a criminal case is signed, even an ordinance violation, they can't just amend it without the defendant's consent. Now, the court also reversed the finding of guilty of the LLC and remanded for a new trial because they didn't have an attorney, and when an LLC is charged or a corporation, they have to have an attorney or a clear waiver of the right to having counsel. And that's State versus Ehrman, spelled Ehrman. For other information on criminal and municipal court, visit website njlaws.com, and for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500.